In computer science, there are two types of data values, constants and variables. Constants stay the same every time a program is run, whereas variables are used to store information that can change. It's similar to how constants and variables work in algebra. Constants are fixed values, in this case the 4. But the variables, like x, represent a value that can change. For example, the heights of students in a class would be stored as a variable. But it doesn't have to be a number. Any type of appropriate data value can be used as a variable. For example, a true-false value or a string of text. Normally, the value of the variable is changed based on the data inputted by the user. When you enter a username on a device, the username is stored as a variable called username. If you were to change that username, the new value would overwrite the old one. So, when you next log in, the program can display "Good morning" plus the string of text stored within the variable called username. Real-world examples of variables could be a video game. Things like the amount of lives you've got or the amount of points you have are stored as variables. Or when you go shopping, the amount you have to pay changes. This total is also stored as a variable. Why not ask learners to identify the variables for themselves by finding the verbs and nouns in a sentence, like "the cat ran down the hill"? The next step for them would be to go out and explore variables on their own. You could use Scratch to show how variables can be used to keep score or store names.